Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi guys, welcome back to Rankers Avenue. Myself Aditi Goyal, currently a final year student in Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi. I gave my NEET exam in 2017 and my NEET rank was 22 and I scored a perfect 180 on 180 in physics. In this video, I will be discussing about the subjects which I liked a lot and subjects which I didn't like and were a nightmare to me. So before we begin, I would like you all to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on our future content. Now, my favorite subject, which is contrary to the belief of medical students, was physics, and like I love it even till date. It was because कि जब मैंने first I remember physics की tuition लगाई थी 11th class में, my teacher explained the facts so well to me and all I could relate everything to real life. एंड उसके बाद कभी मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि फिजिक्स सब्जेक्ट या कोई टफ चीज है एंड आई यूज टू एंजॉय स्टडिंग फिजिक्स मोस्टली मैंने देखा कि एस्पिरेंट मेडिकल एस्पिरेंट्स जब 11th में आते हैं तो उनके दिमाग में यही होता है कि फिजिक्स बहुत टफ है बाकी स्टूडेंट से भी नहीं होता है उनसे भी नहीं होगा एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट मैथ्स एंड मैथ्स तो हमें वैसे ही नहीं आता तो आई वुड टेल एवरीवन कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है आप ट्राई करो इसको सब्जेक्ट को समझने का ट्राई करो एंड टेक इंटरेस्ट इन इट यू विल रियली फॉल इन लव विद इट एंड मेन थिंग आई लव दिस सब्जेक्ट वाज बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट अ काइंड ऑफ रट्टा इसमें फिजिक्स में इट वाज लाइक कि क्लास में आपने अटेंड किया टीचर टोल्ड यू सम फॉर्मूलाज एंड द एप्लीकेशन एंड देन यू हैव टू गो होम एंड ट्राई ऑन क्वेश्चन सीधा कोई ऐसे रट्टा नहीं मारना कोई लंबी लंबी बुक्स नहीं पढ़नी बड़ी बड़ी बुक्स एंड लाइक that was something which really made me love this subject and physics was like a game to me as I said कि मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता था फिजिक्स के क्वेश्चन करते करते कि टाइम कितना हो गया जब भी मैं फ्री होती थी या फिजिक्स सॉरी बायो एंड केमिस्ट्री पढ़ के आई यूज्ड टू गेट बोर्ड ना तो आई वुड स्टार्ट स्टडिंग फिजिक्स एंड मेरी सारी थकान दूर हो जाती थी इट यूज टू फिल मी विद पॉजिटिविटी एंड सम काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेंज एनर्जी एंड कॉन्फिडेंस एंड लाइक it was a magical subject to me. And the subject which I didn't like at all was biology because again it was much of a ratta type of thing and sitting in front of books for hours and hours and उसको काला करी जाओ read again and again and फिर भी कुछ याद नहीं होता so that's why I never developed much interest in biology and also the starting chapter was Animal Kingdom which didn't end for like 2 months and it had so many details and weird names. I was like going all crazy कि ये क्या है and why did I even choose medical? But last तक जाते जाते bio was becoming tolerable to me, especially in class 12 जब genetics वाला and molecular biology, DNA fingerprinting, genetic engineering वाला part आया था. Then biology really became very interesting for me and I developed interest and covered my whole 11th class syllabus also along with that and talking about chemistry this was a subject like kabhi upar kabhi niche never developed much interest in that and I never hated that subject yeah inorganic chemistry was something which I found really very difficult because again it was ratta kind of thing and you know जो है तो है you cannot change anything you cannot apply concepts in much concepts in that so yeah I didn't like inorganic much but yes what I loved was physical chemistry of class 12 the solid state electrochemistry solutions wala chapter and also that coordination compounds chapter and I also liked organic chemistry a lot. So this was all I wanted to share with you all guys. I hope मेरा इस वीडियो को सुनने के बाद you look at physics in a different way and आप उसमें interest develop करने की कोशिश करें and you know try not to take it as a subject कि आपको score करना है but try to understand and grasp the concepts and apply in real life. It will be really a big fun game for you all. So that's all for today guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.